Hey everyone, we are Ocean Straw Warriors and we'll be presenting our poster presentation for design thinking. So the introduction of our problem statement is that how can we create a sustainable and reusable solution to replace plastic straws? We have found this problem from SDG 14, which relates to life below water. Specifically, we have found plastic pollution in oceans and it is affecting the sea animals, the marine life. So we have decided to focus on the plastic pollution in ocean. And more specifically, we have found that plastic straws are hurting sea turtles, and we have decided to focus on plastic straws, specifically boba tea straws, to reduce the number of straws being used. Next, we will be presenting our researches.
So for our primary research, we are excited to share the results that is aimed at understanding the preferences and behaviors of boba tea enthusiasts, straw users, and Gen Z in the context of combating plastic waste. Our research focused on these three groups. So let's dive into the details of our survey and its findings. To collect valuable insights, we distributed a survey to a broad spectrum of participants. These participants included students from INTI Subang and other colleges, as well as a diverse range of individuals across different age groups and backgrounds. Our surveys highlighted a concerning issue. Most beach areas are suffering from excessive rubbish and litter, which can be attributed to the consumption of maybe takeaway drinks. In response to the plastic waste issue, we observed a positive trend. Many individuals have embraced reusable bags, possibly for grocery shopping as a conscious effort to reduce their plastic usage. A significant number of survey participants also demonstrated a high level of awareness regarding the plastic waste issue affecting marine ecosystems in Malaysia. Encouragingly, our data also indicates that a considerable portion of the surveyed individuals are willing to make changes in their habits, moving towards a more sustainable alternatives. Okay. So in summary, our primary research findings suggest that there is a strong awareness of the plastic waste issue among our target groups. Many are already taking steps to reduce their plastic consumption, such as adopting reusable bags and so on. Importantly, a significant portion expressed a willingness to switch to more sustainable options. While reusable straws are already well known, the data suggests that offering an innovative and effective alternative in the boba tea industry could lead to a long-term positive impact on the environment. That will be all for me. We'll now carry on to the secondary research.
To the secondary research, we have listed down the endangered sea animals, which are the sea turtles, dugong, and the hairy-nosed otter. So we were focused on the more for the turtles. So there is the main threats to the turtles. They are the egg consumptions and the trade, illegal and the unregulated turtle poaches, and the coastal development. And then we have the main mortality factors for the turtles. They are strong waves, traveling activities, rubbish dumping, egg poaching, determination fishing methods, and the coastal reclamation projects. So next one we have the plastic straws, which are the harm to the sea turtles by stuck in their noses, jaws, and the stomach, and the sea turtles will accidentally mistaken straw as food. Plastic straws doesn't break down those, so will stay in their stomach. So yeah, and we have here several key organizations, which are the Turtle Conservation Social Society of Malaysia, and the Juari Turtle Project, and the World Wildlife Fund Malaysia. So next one, I will pass to the business model canvas.
So this is our business model canvas. For key partners of our brand are boba tea businesses such as Tea Life, Gongcha, Decoy, The Alley, and Singapore. And for key activities, our brand strives to reduce the percentage of marine pollution and emphasizes on reducing the use of plastic straws. So our bottle will be sold independently on our brand's website. And other than that, we'll be working closely with the boba tea businesses to form partnerships. For example, that if you were to walk into Starbucks, to use Starbucks as an example, you would see the merchandise be placed by the counter for the customers to buy. It's basically the same concept for us. It's just that we'll be collaborating with the boba tea businesses to attract the customers. So for key resources, our brand emphasizes the importance of sustainability, and we'll be selecting manufacturers who are reliable and sustainable when we're producing our bottle. For value proposition, our primary goal of our brand is to encourage the general public, especially the boba tea enthusiasts, to use an eco-friendly alternative to replace the use of plastic straws. And we're dedicated to create a better future for our local marine life, especially our sea turtles.
Next will be our customer relationship. We will have a reward for loyal customers with discounts and early bird access. We will try to listen to feedbacks and make improvement in our products. We will also want to create a community for eco-friendly discussions and advices. Our channels will be direct to customers, such as we will be having our personal websites and in-store collaborations with boba tea businesses like we have mentioned beforehand. Customer segments are like individuals who cares about the environment and want to be convenient, stylish, and eco-friendly at the same time. Also families with children looking for safe, reusable bottles. Other than that, we have urban residents with a medium income and those who want a sustainable solution to plastic straws. Next will be our cost structure. We will be having our raw material and manufacturing costs, which will be our main expenses. This includes source of material, production of our bottle, and etc. We will also have expenses for shipping the products to customers and managing the supply key chains. Next up is the revenue stream. We have the estimated price of the bottle, which range from 45 ringgit to 70 ringgit. Costs associated with advertising on social media platforms and stuff. Next up, we will be presenting our prototype.
So coming to the prototype, we have made 3D prototype for our strawless bottle, and we name our bottle as Sip and Save bottle, because when we use it, we can actually save the dust, where it serves our main purpose, which is to protect them. It can also save money, where we no longer need to buy one-time cup for boba teas. The bottle itself has 3 main sections, where it divided into main cup, strainer, and a top cap. So here's the front view and top view for the body of the bottle, where it has our logo turtle. Moving on will be the strainer, where it has 2 variations. One is for the boba, and another one is for tea, so you can change it accordingly. Last but not least will be the bottle cap, where it actually has a turtle shell texture, and it also has the straw and cap as well, which come together. So here's the user guide, where firstly you can fill the cup according to your drink of choice, and secondly snap on the strainer, which comes along with the 2 variations, and thirdly screw on bottle lid, and there you have it. Enjoy your drink. Moving on will be the merch that will come along with our bottle, where we come out with metal water bottle for those who want to preserve their drinks, tote bags, cup sleeves, and also pin, where it has our Ocean Shore Warriors name on top. And last but not least, I'll pass it to the website prototype.
Okay, next we have our very own website mockup. We have the QR code here to access our actual website. When we first log into our website, it will show the homepage, which mentions our name of our business, which is Ocean Straw Warriors. And if we go down, we will be able to see the varieties of collections we are selling. And as we proceed more, it talks a bit about our shop and our background. And yeah. As we move on, we will be able to shop in different categories. As we go in, we can see how the placement of our product is being shown. Like this page is for accessories, the merch we have mentioned just now. It includes things like the tote bag, the metal water bottle, the pin, and the cup sleeve. Next will be how it looks like when you go into the product information. So as you can see, this one is Sip and Save, our bottle full set. It will be showing the price and the variety of photos, as well as the product information, and beside has all the terms and conditions, returning policy, and shipping information. As we scroll down more, in the bottom we'll be able to see the related products which we sell in our very own shop. So that was it for our presentation. Thank you so much for listening.